Shopify POS, a store owner's dream come true. You know the importance of a point-of-sale system if you own a shop. A POS system can be used to manage customers, track inventory, and process payments. It is an essential tool for all businesses, and there is now a Shopify-specific POS system. Shopify POS is its name, and it's a game changer. Shopify POS. What is it? Why is it the best POS for store owners who use Shopify? What is Shopify POS and how does it work? Shopify POS allows you to integrate your Shopify store with a point-of-sale system. Shopify POS allows you to use Shopify's online store to also run your brick-and-mortar business. Shopify POS features all the Shopify benefits, such as speedy loading times, 24/7 support, and ease of use, but are now specifically tailored for in-person transactions. Shopify POS is the best POS solution for store owners. Shopify POS will be easy for you if you know Shopify. It is easy to use and familiar so that you can spend your time running your business instead of worrying about how to use a complex POS system. Seamless integration. Shopify POS can integrate with your Shopify account. All of your data will seamlessly sync between your online and offline shops. You don't need to worry about duplicate entries or losing data. All of your data will be updated automatically in real time. Shopify POS has a very affordable price. Shopify POS has no hidden costs. You see what you get. Shopify's Shopify POS is the best POS system available for store owners who use Shopify. Shopify's POS provides everything store owners need to get their business off the ground. It is simple to use, easy integration, and affordable pricing. Shopify's POS can be downloaded today.